boasts Australia's largest capacity for plasma cut plate processing, used by medium to heavy manufacturing, tank manufacturers, water treatment, and throughout the mining industry. Our advanced plasma cutting technology has the versatility to cut stainless steel from 2 to 80 millimeter thickness in a variety of widths and lengths. Add to this our 14 horsepower drill with 12 tool changer, and we can tap and drill up to 34 millimeter diameter holes. All machines are fully networked using the latest Hypertherm ProNest computer software, with full nesting facilities including standard development of cones, square to rounds and lobster back bends. We can provide profiles supplied in one piece for greater structural strength, and DXF files can be supplied by email for speed and convenience. Talk to us for true reliability, confidence and quality.